This is a Tor transparent proxy which routes all traffic on the network through Tor. The way it does this is through a bunch of IP tables rules that are tailored to route all traffic on all protocols through Tor. All UDP traffic is actually dropped apart from port 53, which is for DNS, that's routed through Tor, and OTTP is routed through Tor. The exception is UDP port 123, which is not routed through Tor at all and is accepted, which is completely open. This is for NTP because there was problems with NTP time becoming obscured. I'll now show you a client proof that it's connected through Tor. This is the Windows client, and the Ubuntu client follows the same sort of principle. Because it's completely transparent, no extra software is needed on the computers, they can see the Windows client is successfully connected to our website and it's confirmed it is actually using Tor. And the same for the Ubuntu client as well. In addition to the transparent proxy, the network also runs its own directory authority for Tor, which is a private internal Tor network, which doesn't touch the outside Tor network at all. This is the setup running on the directory authority. Here you can see all the different relays that are connected. All the relays are actually using Mini-Ubuntu because RAM was an issue with a virtual environment. In a real environment, they would be real systems. A program was created to automate the connection to Tor, the writing of the settings file, and the Tor needs to know the IP address in the private network. So it also dynamically maps the private address to the settings file also. You see, if you run Tor and if you press this, it will input the onion address into your browser and launch the website for you, which, as you can see, works with the onion address. That's a permission problem. This is all accessed running on an Apache server, running on a system. It also runs Tor with hidden services. As you can see, you can also access it through its IP address and its onion address, and the process is the same on Windows and Linux. The program is almost identical on both systems, as you can see, which should add to usability. In addition to everything else running, Active Directory is also serving users on the Linux and the Windows networks, so any user can log in on these systems. And it is also serving as DNS and file sharing to share files. Ideally, users will have their own roaming file storage soon. And it's also hosts the DHCP as well.